Southern Maryland Midweek cruise. It's probably one of the last ones. Mid-October here. Leonardtown, Maryland. I'm John. This is Ad Water Garage. Thanks for tuning in, folks. Yeah, where do we start? Of course, we brought the G8. Let's look at this here. This has a minivan powertrain swapped in it. See, look, the front wheels are different than the back ones. Turbo. This is pretty neat. This thing skedaddles too. They've taken it to the track. Oh, that's pretty neat. All right, look at this Jaguar. That's neat. I don't know if this one has the Chevy V8 in or not. I can't remember. 32 Ford Tudor. That's a really nice car. Hey, how you doing? So we got George's 65 Mustang. He just had the paint stuff done recently.
Okay.
And there's Stephanie's 70. I've called it George's before, but it's not his, it is hers. This thing is neat. Look at the inside. Got the green seats in this, and then let's look at the Mustang. Man, that is nice. Nicely done. What a great pair of cars. Got the 66 or 7 Fairlane. I always forget what year it is. I like the fact that it's a post model. Nice car. There's Mark's Stripe Delete 2012 GT500 Mustang. Hey, what's going on?
It's so conservative.
He's got a few mild mods. I think it's got different wheels on it. Might be lowered a bit. And here's Tim's 57 panel. What is going on in here? Is that the original owner?
That's him.
Look at that Thunderbird. Cruising Southern Maryland event stuff. There's Dave's 502 powered 69 Camaro SS. Got the hideaway headlights. Billy's Henry J. That's nice. It's got LS swap. Check out the insides on this one. Nice. Life's too short. Love and Life 66 or 7 Corvette. There's Paul's Buick. Usually the hood's open to show off the straight 8. Today it's not. It's okay. Hey, thank you. Oh, yeah, that's right. We had a birthday recently. This is the before play Corvette. And then one of the reissued Thunderbirds. And then let's go over here. We don't want to miss this. One of the newer Minis. These are neat. Look inside here. We saw him at Cars and Coffee. Must have been, yes. That's the kind of overlanding camper I need. This thing. It's got a canopy that comes out of the side. Front bumper. It's got a winch. That is really, really neat. Okay. I love it. All right, let's go see some more stuff. How about a 63 Ford Falcon Ranchero? Look how clean it is in there. This thing is neat. Still got the original 6-cylinder in it. Beautiful car. Cliff's, I think, 66 Chevy truck. Nice as you'd expect. Look at the bed on that. There's another Chevy truck. This one equally nice. It's got extended cab. Got enough room in it now. Small block, air conditioning. Wow. A lot of work to get that cab extended and have it look that good. Look at that. 37 Ford pickup. I think it might be a whole aftermarket body. I'm not sure.
He got an emblem. He got a scene on the damn thing. What's that supposed to represent?
There's a Cobra. Seen it before with a small block in it.
Hey, John. Oh, there was a 37 Ford up there. First time I ever seen it. A 36 Buick.
We got a couple more here. We've seen this one before. GMC truck. This thing is really neat. I love it. It's got the insides done nice. Nice wood in the bed. Traditional small box power. And we got this Chevy truck, square body, brown metallic. We've seen him before. It's got LS, air conditioning and everything. This 36 Ford with the owner-built rumble seat in it. Really neat. We got that already. Cobra's nice. They're all pretty nice. Nice weather. The sun's dropping. People will probably be leaving soon. I think that'll do it for the midweek cruise-in. I'm John. This has been Out of Order Garage. Thanks for tuning in, folks. There goes the Fairlane. What a neat car.